Planning a trip to the US or Europe? Not sure about the visa requirements? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to Visas Unveiled, a comprehensive guide for USA and EU citizens. The world of visas can be a labyrinth of rules and regulations, but knowing your way around is crucial to ensure a smooth journey. Today will be your guide through this maze. In this guide, we're going to focus on two major areas, the United States and Europe. For these destinations, two key terms you need to familiarize yourself with are the Visa Waiver Program and the Schengen Agreement. The Visa Waiver Program relates to travel in the United States, while the Schengen Agreement pertains to travel within Europe. These programs provide certain privileges to travelers, making the visa process simpler and more convenient. But remember, each comes with its own set of rules and restrictions. So, buckle up as we get ready to delve deeper, and let's start with the United States. If you're an EU citizen planning a trip to the US, you might not need a visa at all. This is thanks to the Visa Waiver Program, a convenient arrangement that lets you visit the land of stars and stripes for up to 90 days, without a visa. Quite the time saver, wouldn't you agree? Now don't rush to pack your bags just yet. There are a few boxes to tick off before you're on your way. First, you'll need a passport that's valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. Second, you'll need to secure an approved electronic system for travel authorization, or ESTA, as it's commonly known. This isn't a visa, but it's equally important, so don't overlook it. But hold on, there's a catch. Not all EU countries are part of the Visa Waiver Program. There's a list of 39 countries in total, so you'll want to double-check if your home country is on it. The list includes countries like France, Germany, and the United Kingdom, but remember, it's always best to verify. So that's the US covered. Now let's move on to Europe. For EU citizens traveling within Europe, the Schengen Agreement simplifies things. You might wonder, what's this Schengen Agreement all about? It's a treaty signed by 26 European countries, and it's a game changer for travelers. Picture this, you're in France, savoring a croissant by the Seine, and suddenly you decide to catch an opera in Vienna. Thanks to the Schengen Agreement, you can hop on a train or a flight without worrying about visas or border controls. This agreement covers a vast area from sunny Spain to the snowy landscapes of Finland, including popular destinations like Italy, Germany, and the Netherlands. And the best part? You can travel freely for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. So if you're planning a grand tour of Europe, the Schengen area is your oyster. The freedom of movement it offers is a testament to the unity and cooperation among these European nations. But here's a word of caution. Don't forget to keep an eye on the calendar. It's easy to lose track of time while exploring the charming streets of Rome or the stunning fjords of Norway, but overstaying your welcome could lead to complications. Also, while the Schengen Agreement covers most of Europe, there are some exceptions. Countries like the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Cyprus are not part of the Schengen area. However, remember that some exceptions and additional rules might apply. It's always a good idea to double-check the specifics before embarking on your European adventure. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, always check the official websites. And with that, we've reached the end of our comprehensive guide on visa requirements for US and EU citizens. The world of international travel is constantly evolving, and so are visa policies. To stay ahead of the curve, we strongly encourage you to explore the official websites of the US Department of State and the European Commission. These platforms offer a wealth of information tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. They provide the latest updates on visa requirements, travel advisories, and any potential restrictions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to travel. Equip yourself with the right information and you're one step closer to a hassle-free journey. Remember to always check the latest visa regulations and requirements before your trip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching and happy travels!